Today we tested Mommy donuts. Which one tasted better, the air fry or the baked? So keep watching our video. Keep watching our video.
Today we are comparing which donut tastes better, a baked donut or an air fryer donut, and the kids will help me judge at the very end which one they prefer. I just have a basic donut recipe here that I found online. And then I used my bread machine to make this, and then I let it rise for like 40 more minutes after the bread machine made it for an hour and a half. And then now I'm gonna cook it in the air fryer for 5 minutes on each side at 330. And then we have here in the oven 350 for 17 minutes. So I'm just gonna speed up the process here until it's done, and then we're gonna see you in the very end for the comparison. So we're finally done baking the donut and the air fryer donut. So here's the comparison. The right one is the baked one and the left one is the air fried donuts. As you can see, the baked one is a little bit lighter, and you can see that it's kind of like a little bit done in the bottom. The air fryer one has like those mesh at the bottom because the air fryer has a mesh and like a grill kind of thing at the bottom. And then I'm just gonna put some butter on it and sugar it up, and then we'll see you in the very end for the comparison.
The air fry donut.
This is the air fry. That one is the air fry. Can you point the air fry?
Air fry and the big one.
And the bigger ones are the baked donuts. So we're gonna taste test them. Let's see which one tastes better, okay? Shalanya, we taste the air fryer donut first. That one. Get one each. Taste it. Yeah, get one piece. Give one to Mommy. Let's taste it. This is the air fryer donut. Very. What can you say about the air fryer one? What can you say about it? What it tastes like?
It tastes kind of sweet.
Let's try. Okay, put it down. Let's try the baked one. The air fryer one was really soft. Let's see the baked one. This one's very spongy. What do you think? Which one is better?
I think.
Wait, Naomi, which one is better, the air fryer one or the baked one for you?
I like the air fry one.
Which one do you like, this one or this one? This one? How about you? Which one do you like, the air fryer one or the baked one?
I think.
Which one tastes better?
I think this one's kind of good because it's kind of sugary.
Well, both are sugary, but which one tastes the texture? Which texture tastes better?
This one got butter.
The air fryer? The air fryer or the baked?
I think the air fryer.
Let me try it again one more time. Yeah, I think the air fryer one is more flavorful. So who wins? The air fryer or the baked?
Air fryer.
What you mean? Who wins? The air fryer or the baked?
The air fryer.
So there you go. Happy National Donuts Day. Look at the air fried. The air fry is very airy inside.
Can I take one more for me?
Air fryer baked?
I like baked.
Baked?
And I like air fry. I thought you like air fry.